Hi folks, happy Wednesday. Today is August 27th, 2025, and I'm glad you're here with me. Time to dive in and see what the product hunt community is buzzing about. Our first new launch is Webvizio, and here is what the creator says. Hey everyone, my name is Alex, and I'm the CTO and a developer at Webvizio. I'm very excited about today's launch. We built Webvizio with teams like ours in mind. It addresses communication challenges between end users, non-technical teams, and web developers. It connects the simple visual tasks from Webvizio directly to AI-first IDEs like Cursor and Windsurf, enabling them to understand and execute your development tasks with speed and accuracy. This allows you to fully leverage the power of AI coding tools and focus on what matters most, building your best product that we can't wait for you to try it out. We'd love to hear your feedback, use cases, and anything else that can help make our product better. Cheers, Alex. Hey Product Hunt. After seeing thousands of people struggle to make AI actually do things beyond just chat, we built something revolutionary. The problem we all face: UVE tried AI assistants. They're smart. They give great advice. But when you ask them to actually do something in your real apps, sorry, I can't access that. Meanwhile, you're still manually copying data between 20+ apps, spending 3+ hours daily on repetitive tasks, paying for 10 different automation tools that barely talk to each other, writing the same Slack updates, emails, and reports every week. Enter Rube. AI that actually gets things done for you. Rube connects your LLM to 500+ apps and gives it superpowers to execute tasks, not just talk about them. Rube does this without overwhelming the context window by smartly routing queries to the right MCP servers. With one conversation, Rube can summarize my unread emails and create tasks in linear for action items, find all feedback in Slack about our product, and compile a report, check my calendar, see what's blocking my project in Asana, and message the team, pull revenue data from Stripe, and update our investor deck in Google Slides, monitor GitHub PRs, and auto-assign reviewers based on expertise. What makes Rube different? Zero config magic. OAuth, API keys, permissions, all handled automatically. Just chat and watch it work. Parallel execution. Run 20+ tasks simultaneously. What took hours now takes seconds. Memory that matters. Rube remembers your preferences, workflows, and context better than you do. Universal compatibility. Works with Claude, ChatGPT, or any LLM. Use your favorite AI. Supercharged that enterprise-grade security. Your data never trains models. SOC 2 compliant. Encrypted end-to-end. Try these prompts right now. Once connected, just ask Rube, what should I focus on today based on my calendar, emails, and project deadlines? Find all customer feedback from the last week in Feedback Channel and create a prioritized roadmap. Analyze my team's productivity and suggest optimizations. Set up a daily briefing that checks my todos across all my tools and tells me what needs attention. Our vision: we believe AI should be your most capable team member, not just your smartest advisor. Rube is the bridge between AI's intelligence and your world's complexity. Hi Product Hunt. The dilemma of the AI era? So many tools promise magic, but end up slowing you down. We're a small team that wanted to move fast and get things done without chaos. That we tried them all and fell into the same trap. Most AI calendars and productivity apps. Too many features, not enough focus. Habit trackers, journals, mood boards, when all you needed was a calendar. Sloppy AI. Wrong guesses, endless redos. More time correcting than creating. Catfished by AI. Marketed as smart, but in reality it's the same old manual forms. Or the real AI is locked behind a paywall. That we got frustrated too, drowning in extras, fixing AI's mistakes, and wasting time on fake promises to we built the opposite. Trace AI that actually works. Say project review with team, find 2-hour slot before Friday, boom, scheduled. Voice, text, screenshot, instant planning that just flows. No bloat, no confusion, just the calendar that thinks with you. Now 2,000+ busy professionals, engineers, founders, and working parents use Trace every day. People who don't have time for planning, but need planning the most. One user summed it up. Finally found the one. Simple, fast, and effortless. I've tried so many AI scheduling apps, but Trace is the only one that felt right. Launch special, 30% off Trace Premium for early users. Details at the bottom of our website. What's the most annoying part of your current planning tool? Let's stop planning to work and just get to work. Hey PH, I'm Vish, co-founder and CEO of SoWork. Since our first launch 2 years ago, we've rebuilt SoWork from the ground up, and we're thrilled to finally share it with you. Here are some of the key upgrades we've made. Supercharged performance, a totally redesigned UI/UX AI for your meetings laid the foundation for some coming AI things analytics to help you really understand your remote team game world in the mobile app. It's so cool, y'all. Built-in games for connection, thousands more avatar and office customization options, dozens of upgrades driven by user feedback if you don't know us yet. SoWork is the virtual HQ for remote teams. Think spatial video, async collab tools, and AI productivity tools built in, all designed to make teamwork feel as natural and spontaneous as being together in real life. Our users told us what was and wasn't working. So we went heads down and built what they asked for, so we could close basically all the gaps that SoWork 1.0 had. And there were lots. If you've ever felt disconnected working remotely, or tired of hopping between Zoom, Slack, and your calendar just to talk to your team and ship stuff, SoWork might be the game changer you've been waiting for. If you use a competitor, I bet you will enjoy us more. You can talk to us every day if you want right inside the app. You can ask for things, and you can enjoy our friendlier service, better performance/features, and better pricing as well. As a courtesy, we'll also rebuild your old office in SoWork if you want. Come see. We'd love your feedback, questions, and support today in this launch. Try SoWork here. Make an office for free. Ask us anything below. We're here all day. Thank you for being part of this. Vish and the whole SoWork team at Vish. Hey Product Hunt. We're at Zama James and at Daniel Gossi, co-founders of Roark, YCW25. When we first built voice agents, we ran into the same problems every team faces. Testing was manual. We literally called agents over and over just to check if they followed instructions. Monitoring was missing. We didn't know when failures happened, and even when they did, we had no idea which levers to pull to make the agent better. Fixes didn't stick. Regressions kept popping back up without us noticing. So we built Roark, a platform that brings reliability and visibility to voice AI. Here's what Roark does today. Monitoring and evaluation capture 40+ built-in call metrics and events, latency, instruction following, repetition detections, sentiment, etc. Plus define your own custom ones. Support for calls with up to 15 speakers, with automatic speaker identification. Analyze audio with models for emotion, vocal cues, and even fine-tune transcriptions based on your use case. Build dashboards, schedule reports, set up alerts, and trigger webhooks so your team is always in the loop. Evaluate calls with best-in-class evaluators you can run on demand or automate via SDK/API. Simulations and personas run end-to-end simulations for both inbound and outbound agents, over the phone or WebSocket, so you're testing the same paths real customers take. Define tests as conversations, a sequence of turns between customer and agent, using a graph-based approach. This makes it easy to branch into edge cases or test variants, so your coverage reflects real-world complexity, not just happy paths. Configure personas by gender, language, accent, background noise, and speech profile, pace, clarity, disfluencies. Layer on behavior profiles like base emotion, intent clarity, confirmation style, memory reliability. Even a backstory. Stress test across real-world variables and automatically generate test cases from live calls, failed calls, repeatable tests. Developer-first integrations, first-class SDKs in Node and Python plus REST API. Native support for LiveKit, Pipecat, Vapi, Retail, and VoiceFlow. Easiest integrations on the market, nothing bolted together overnight. In the past 6 months, Roark has already processed over 10 minutes of calls for companies like Radiant Graph, Podium, Aircall, and BrainCX, helping them evaluate agents and run simulations at scale. The result? A full lifecycle platform that closes the loop. Monitor your live calls, spot failures, turn them into tests, improve continuously. Think of Roark as the QA plus observability layer for voice AI. Robust, deeply thought out, and built to last. If you're building voice agents, you can sign up today for 50% off with our PH discount. Book a demo here if you'd like a walkthrough. Or just drop me a note at james@roark.ai. We'd love to help. James and Daniel. Hi everyone. About a week ago, a mysterious model called Nano Banana appeared on LM Arena. Everyone was guessing who made it, but the signs pointed to Google. And now it is. Its character consistency is what shocked the world, but the model is much more than that. It can fuse multiple images, make precise edits with natural language, and it's all powered by Gemini's world knowledge. I can't even remember how many times I tried to draw the card on LM Arena this past week, just hoping to get a chance to use it, that it's just that good. I think this is another milestone moment for multimodal models, right up there with GPT-4o. But words don't do it justice. You have to try the model for yourself. I think anyone will be as deeply shocked by its capabilities as I have been this past week. Tot 2.0, your tiny text companion, now mightier. Tot 2.0 introduces improved features such as customizable smart bullets, text dividers, automatic indents, seamless iCloud sync, Markdown support, adaptive icons, and iOS automatic backups. Available for Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. Hey Product Hunt, we're super excited to share NotchFlow with you today. With so many of us struggling to stay focused, even a simple Pomodoro timer can make a huge difference. That's why we built NotchFlow. It's a sleek, functional app that lives right in your Notch. Stay on track with focus timers, curated focus music, and built-in coffee breaks, all while controlling your regular music seamlessly. Stopwatch, we'd love to hear what you think. Back in June, we started doing most of our dev work through Claude Code. It's been so productive we even declared it a member of the team. We immediately wanted to get more Claude, but the tooling was tedious. At one point, we tried cloning our repo into 3 directories and running Claude in each of them. But it felt like driving a Subaru with a jet engine strapped on, that we needed a tool that would push Claude to its limits and that we'd enjoy working in all day. So we built Conductor. I can't imagine developing any other way. It's just so much fun. Partly because we use Conductor to build Conductor every day, but even more because it's so damn productive. I've merged thousands of lines of code with Conductor in the past month, and it's only going up that it's free. We use your existing Claude Code login. You can download for Mac now. I can't wait to hear what you think. Hey Product Hunt, I'm Olivia, a product manager at Hex. Today, I'm excited to introduce the Notebook Agent. For the last few months, data people have been watching as software engineers have been getting first-class agentic tools to do their work, stuck copying and pasting trying to keep up. We built the Notebook Agent to change that. Now you can get the best of agentic capabilities in Hex. Just ask a question, get to a first draft in minutes, and iterate on any complex analysis with full control over the agent's edits. Why Hex? Because the agent lives right where you work, connected to your projects, files, and warehouse tables. It has the context and tools to understand your analysis and can generate SQL, Python, native visualizations, and Markdown summaries that we're already seeing folks use it to get started faster with ad hoc exploration and supercharged deep dive analysis. If you try it out, let us know what you think. Olivia. Hi Product Hunt. Launching TaskGPT Mobile today. Seamless way to command your Mac or ask your Mac questions about itself. Open to feedback and new use cases you can find for this. Go to taskgpt.us to see it in action. Marco Kiki. Hey Product Hunt. I'm Kevin, founder of Magic Sandbox. Magic Sandbox is an AI app platform where your AI assistant doesn't just chat with you, but can also interact with community-built apps on your behalf to help you get things done. For users, that means you can chat with your apps, like your notes, spreadsheets, or anything else that the community develops. I just built an AI-powered fantasy football app for my draft this weekend. For developers, Magic Sandbox handles hosting, auth, payments, and persisting data, so building apps is super easy. It's a great platform for publishing and monetizing your vibe-coded apps that it's free to get started. If you check it out, I would love to hear your feedback. What kind of apps would you want to see added to the platform? Hey PH fam, Kareem here, co-founder of Oppla. We build Oppla for builders of all kinds. Indie devs, solopreneurs, founders, designers. Basically anyone trying to turn ideas into serious products. The problem? Coding tools have gotten faster, but product building hasn't. Today, anyone can vibe code, but very few can build it right. And the hardest question always comes after the prototype. What should I build next to make this product succeed? Oppla is our answer. Contextual building. Other AI IDEs hit limits that break your workflow and kill momentum, forcing you to restart your train of thought. Oppla doesn't. With unlimited context windows, your IDE always knows the bigger picture, from user needs to product goals. Execution plus strategy in one place. Code faster with an AI-native IDE, while signals surface what's worth building, not just what's easy to ship. Faster than anything else. Built in Rust, Oppla runs lightning fast. No other AI IDE comes close. Products, not just code. It's about launching smarter, with clarity, not just typing faster. This second launch is all about the IDE first experience. We've made huge updates since our first launch, and we're excited to put it in your hands. Would love for you to try it, break it, and tell us what works or doesn't. We're here all day. Ask us anything, from roadmap to pricing to how we think about contextual, AI-native product building. Introducing Codalogy. Visualize any code base instantly. Understand any code architecture in minutes. Codalogy analyzes your code base, breaks it into clear components, and maps functionality and dependencies, so you can skip the digging and simply explore your code visually, coffee in hand. I need to improve a module. Wait, how do I know all the working components and dependencies? What's connected to what? Where are the hidden dependencies? The devs who made it aren't around. Documentation is scattered that I have too much on my plate to keep track of everything that I wish I could just click and visualize the functional component, how they work and interlinked. Yet that's exactly what we are trying to build with Codalogy. Stop scrambling. Start visualizing. This next product is CodeX. Build web apps in minutes for completely free. CodeX, revolutionary AI development platform with 27 plus AI models, designer mode, thinking budget system, and seamless workflow automation. Download free for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Hi Product Hunt, I'm Arjun, founder and CEO of doola. That we built AI co-founder because global e-commerce entrepreneurs were telling us the same story. That starting a Shopify or Amazon store is easy, but running and managing one is overwhelming. That's why we built doola's AI co-founder. Your intelligent partner that takes care of the back-office tasks that e-commerce entrepreneurs don't want 10 browser tabs and 5 service providers. They want one trusted partner who gets the job done. That's exactly why we built doola's AI co-founder. It's your business partner that never sleeps, is available 24/7, fluent in 175 plus countries, unique challenges, and gets smarter with every interaction. That doola isn't just a formation service. We're building the first AI business in a box for e-commerce. AI co-founder is the first step toward an intelligent, automated back office that works for you, so you can focus on what you do best, while doola handles the rest. Excited to hear what you think and answer any questions. Let's move on to Higgsfield Records. Become the next global AI idol. Multi-million contracts already in motion. You can become the next global idol with us. It's easy. No talent required. Thanks for checking out WotNow. Our mission is simple: to empower people in their most important cognitive moments, whether it's closing a deal, learning a concept, or pitching to investors. What makes WotNow unique? Research-backed, built on 2 years of study, upcoming paper, grounded in effective computing and the quantified self. Real-time insight measures your speech, focus, and stress signals as you present or learn. Adaptive coaching dynamically adjusts guidance based on your cognitive state while you study or practice. All-in-one solution blends performance, learning, and wellness into one seamless experience. For teams too, AI tools often boost individual productivity but fail to translate into organizational gains. WotNow closes that gap by coaching teams for focus, communication, and performance. That we're launching with early access and would love to hear what features or use cases matter most to you. Your feedback will shape how WotNow grows. Ask us anything below. We'll be here all day. Special thank you for hunters. To celebrate our launch, we're giving away 50 free 6-month WotNow accounts. How to enter: 1. Try WotNow and share your thoughts in the comments. Point 2. Add the hashtags #WotNow, #AugmentMe, so we don't miss it. Every hour today, we'll select up to 2 winners from the feedback and up to 4 in the final hour, with winners chosen based on the most valuable feedback. This is our way of saying thank you for helping us shape WotNow into the best neuro AI coach for pitching, presenting, and learning, and boosting focus and productivity for teams. Hey Product Hunt fam, I'm Pratik, founder of TestDino, built on 12 plus years of QA automation experience. Excited to share our public launch. What is TestDino? TestDino is an AI-powered test reporting and analytics platform for Playwright teams. Debugging CI failures used to eat up hours every week, and existing tools gave no clarity or context. We built TestDino to make failure analysis clear, fast, and actionable. Why use TestDino? If you've ever spent half a day rerunning flaky tests or asking, is this a real bug? TestDino is for you. Smart AI Insights explains why tests failed and suggests fixes. Flaky test detection flags unstable, unreliable tests. Historical trends tracks stability and speed over time. ML categorization classifies failures like assertion, timeout, API errors. ENV comparison compares dev, stage, and prod runs. Integrations that matter create a Jira or linear issue with a single click, and send test summaries directly into Slack. How it works: TestDino pulls logs from CI, organizes them into clear dashboards, and uses AI plus ML to tag issues. Teams instantly know what failed, why it failed, and how to prevent it in the future. This saves hours of tree-off time and restores confidence in the test suite. Join us ready to ship faster with Playwright. Sign up here. Reach us info@testdino.com, chat on Discord, or book a 15-minute call. Hey Product Hunters, I'm Junwei, part of the small but passionate team behind Genstore.ai. Why we build it? After years of working with larger brands, we saw firsthand how local businesses often struggled with complex, bloated e-commerce platforms. We wanted to give these neighborhood entrepreneurs the same powerful tools without the high costs or technical headaches. What Genstore does: instant store setup, one-click catalog sync from major platforms like Shopify and Amazon, AI-powered storefront, automatically drafts product listings, visuals, email marketing, and ads, autonomous digital coworkers. AI agents continuously manage and grow your business 24/7. Flexible pricing, pay-as-you-grow plans that scale with your revenue. Who it's for: local retailers, neighborhood entrepreneurs, independent market sellers, and community-focused creators. Our ask: many of Genstore's features are still evolving, and we'd greatly appreciate your candid feedback and suggestions. Give us a try with our exclusive Product Hunt launch offer. 14-day free trial plus $300 credit, automatically applied, no code needed. Available for a limited time. Thanks so much for supporting our mission to make local commerce simpler, fairer, and more successful for everyone.